Good evening, sir. This is the title of our system. COVID-19 Monitoring System for the Employees of Ninja Band, presented by Hernandez and Murphy. Introduction. During this pandemic, numerous companies such as Ninja Band were using manual temperature and monitoring employee information in order to minimize the time consumed on manual monitoring. The researcher proposed a COVID-19 monitoring system with the use of barcodes on the employee's ID to avoid this manual monitoring. Statement of the problem. General problems are:
Number 1. Time consuming on manual input data for each employee. Number 2. Time consuming of checking body temperature for each employee. Number 3. Close contact to the materials used by the employees every time they input their information on the logbook. Number 4. Close contact to the temperature scanner operator.
Specific problems is:
Number 1. Employees authentication. Employee can input the data of their co-employee on the logbook.
Objective of the study. The study aimed to achieve relevant goals that will comply to the accomplishment of the whole project. In general objectives are: general objectives.
Number 1. To reduce the time consumed on manual input of data of each employee. Number 2. To reduce time consumed on checking body temperature of each employee. Number 3. To prevent close contact on the materials used by employees every time they input their information on the logbook. Number 4. To prevent close contact to the temperature scanner operator.
Specific objectives.
Number 1. To ensure that employee cannot access to other employees' account.
Scope of the study. The study will focus on monitoring and updating the employees' information such as temperature, employees' personal information, date and time where the employees came to the company, authentication of employees. Limitation of the study. The study focused only on employees who enter and exit to the company and employees' body temperature, not included other department that is related to the employees in the company. Significance of the study.
Administrator, employees, company, future researchers.
This is the conceptual framework of our system. We use rapid application development or RAD on the software methodology of our system. In this figure, the diagram illustrates the system that will be planned for the requirements for its development. Planning requirements. During this initial stage, our group came to a rough agreement on a project scope and application requirements so that future stage with prototyping can begin and analyzing is next. Analyzing and capabilities of the system is very important in the system development. Design will come next. This allows initial modeling and prototyping to be created. This step is repeated as necessary as the project evolves. The construction is next. The construction phase is where most of actual application coding, soldering the components, testing, and integration take place, and cutover phase resembles the final task in the SDLC. Implementation phase, including data conversion, testing, changeover, and user training. As a result, the new system is built, delivered, and placed in operation much sooner. Block diagram of COVID-19 monitoring system. As you can see, we use temperature sensor or MLX 90614 ESF EAA. This device was used to get the body temperature of the employee. And we use barcode scanner This device was used to scan the ID of the employees and get the employees' information. And we use LCD 1602. This device was used to display the step-by-step procedures of the system. And microcontroller, it acts as the brain in the system. The microcontroller used is Arduino Uno R3. Project development, hardware development. Create a design of block diagram of COVID-19 monitoring system. Choose the right board. Purchase the following materials. Build and solder the prototype and fabricated the components. Conceptual design of COVID-19 monitoring system.
In this figure, show the imposed design of the whole system. When the employees scan their ID to the barcode scanner, the system will get the data of the employees information and get employees picture and get the body temperature using temperature sensor, and it will save to the database.
Schematic diagram of the Arduino Uno R3. Flowchart of the COVID-19 monitoring system. In this figure shows a COVID-19 monitoring system works. When the employees enter the company, they need to scan their ID. The LCD will display, please scan your barcode or ID. When the employees scan their ID, the system will determine if the barcode is registered or not. If the ID is registered, the LCD will display scan. If the ID is registered, the LCD will display scan is completed. Next is the LCD will display time for picture taking. The employees will get the employee's picture, time in, and lastly, the system will get the employee's body temperature, determines if critical or normal state, and save to the database. Context diagram of COVID-19 monitoring system.
In this figure, show the graphical representation that describe information flow and the changes that are applied as data transfer from input to output. The figure show how the conceptual diagram works. The employee can check information through the system. The system is storing or the updated made by the users.
Operation and testing procedures. Operation procedure are please scan your barcode ID. Scan completed. Determines if barcode is registered or not. Time for picture taking. Body temperature status. Determine if critical or normal state. 5. Record and save the data. Testing procedure. Test the barcode scanner by scanning the registered ID. Test the temperature sensor if the body temperature is accurate. And check the database if the data is successfully saved. This is the survey result. Thank you.